Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share another soup recipe. It is carrot ginger soup. Here are the ingredients. Let's get started. I'm going to cook in the cooker. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil, to which I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, let the cumins get roasted. The roasted cumins will give extra aroma. Now I am adding ginger. As we need the prominent taste of ginger, I have added 3 inches long ginger piece, which I have cut in small pieces, and 1 small onion. I have used white onions. Fry both ginger and onions together. I am adding salt. Mostly I use rock salt wherever possible instead of the table salt. Mix well. Now I'm adding tomatoes and carrots. Give it a good mix. And fry it for just a minute. Then I'll be adding the cinnamon powder. Again, give it a mix. Finally, we'll be adding some water. You can adjust the water level even later according to the thickness you want. These are almonds, 1 tablespoon chopped almonds, as I will not be adding any corn flour for thickening agent. This is very nice substitute for corn flour. I have cooked in the cooker just one whistle or one pressure. It's more than enough. Cool completely, then blend fine. Super fine, smooth, delicious, hot carrot ginger soup is ready. To this I will be adding 1 tablespoon of butter. This soup is a very delicious soup, very good served in winters, as it will keep your body warm and ginger will give you extra immune. Enjoy your hot, creamy ginger carrot soup. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.